Alright, I got polish here that I'm going to show you how good this polish works. See that piece there? Now I'm going to just break off a piece of just the regular shop towels you get. Fold it over. I'm just going to dip that in there, and I am going to just wipe this on here. I'm going to just wipe and wipe, and this is going to start turning black here. Black, gray, whatever. It'll be this black when it's done. Come back with a clean towel, piece of cloth. And you wipe that baby down. It's as simple as that. Clean it a little better. See the difference in that? Now I can wipe on this all I want, just to show you that. This one got a little bit of the polish on there, but I'm gonna just wipe to show you that no matter how much I wipe on that, it's not gonna clean up like the polish that I used. And I come back, but it's metal polish cream by Blue Magic. I don't really care to promote products, but if you're doing your own cars, I just want you to see that, you know, that product, it works pretty darn good. Now I can polish on that a little more, and it's gonna come out. This whole piece will be polished up pretty good, and it works on any kind of chrome, aluminum. It's a pretty good product there. So for all you do-it-yourselfers, it works out pretty good. So if you're liking these videos, subscribe and like, and stay tuned in, because I've been a car lover all my life. And when you have as many cars as I have, and I wish all of them was done, they getting there though. I finished quite a few of mine over the years, so you learn to do stuff, and you learn to do it yourself. And if you the guy at home that got your own little project that you're doing, I'm just here to guide you along and show you some of the best methods and techniques to use.